How to create a Telegram channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can go ahead and create your own Telegram channel. So let's go ahead and create this channel. So the first step is to go ahead and click on the add icon showing above your screen. So look above your screen, guys, you're going to be seeing an eye icon, the one with the pen. So just go ahead and click on that. When you click on that, guys, click on where it says new channel. So just go ahead and click on new channel. When you click on new channel, click on where it says create channel. So just go ahead and create your channel. Go ahead and type in the name you want to use for your channel. For the sake of this video, we're going to be using this name, guys. So when you add your profile picture, you can go ahead and add your description. So just go ahead and add your description. When you do that, click on where it says next. When you click on next, you can go ahead and select whether you want your account to be private or public. So if you want a public account, click on that. You get your own personal link. If you want a private account, you click on that as well. You want to restrict saving content here, just go ahead and turn this on for those of you that are posting content you don't want to be saved. So go ahead and click on where it says next. So when you click on next, go ahead and add people you want to add on your Telegram channel. Click on next. As for me, I don't want to add anybody. So as you can see, our Telegram channel is created. You can go ahead and join. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next.